Remember this, folks. That's Donald Smith. It's important to note that he's not real. He's fake. Hey, everyone, today I will show you how to create an AI journalist for free with just a few clicks. This is a follow-up video to my AI Journalist Pro video. There were a lot of questions, and many of you wanted to achieve video generation for free, without the use of Midjourney. Like these here, and many of you also experienced errors during the video generation process. Videos that look like this, and like this. So in this video, I will present all the solutions. Step 1. Gather the AI journalist source image. We need an image of a face for our AI journalist, a passport-type photo that we can overlay on top of the target images. So let's hunt for a good source image. This is Donald Trump, the former president of the USA. Trump will show us some news. We will use free Google images. So let's go to Google. Now let's go to the search bar and, for example, search Donald Trump. Now choose an image that you like. Copy and save it to the hard disk. I will use Donald's source image, the man you saw in the beginning. He is the AI journalist we created in the AI Journalist Pro video. Let's go to the next step. Step 2. Gather the AI journalist target videos. Now in this step, we want to obtain the videos where we can overlay Donald's face. We can find these by searching for them via the YouTube search bar and downloading some news videos. These are the target videos I downloaded. Now in this step, we want to obtain the videos where we can overlay Donald's face. If you're wondering if these YouTube videos will be copyrighted or not, this is just a tutorial. Well, let me be clear. If you want to be a professional AI journalist, then I suggest you create or buy the target videos yourself. In the last video, I suggested you could ask your friend or brother to keep the cost down. But you can, obviously, also ask someone on Fiverr or Instagram to do it for you. For the purpose of this educational video, I will again use some videos from YouTube, BBC News. You can also generate a deep fake by using a free stock video as your target video. And by the way, if you create a YouTube channel, then the only thing you need in the beginning are good-looking green screen videos. You can think of creating some amazing videos and invest in some good target videos. And let's go to the next step. Step 3. Generate your AI journalist videos. Now comes a step where many people encountered a lot of errors. So if you want to avoid these errors, then listen carefully. First, go to the Google Colab link in the description. Now run the first cell by clicking on that play button. If you get this warning, just click run anyway. Now it will take between 2 and 3 minutes to finish. So again, just ignore that message and run the second cell. This cell will take a few seconds to finish. Now it is time to upload the source image and a target video. Just go to the left-hand side and click on the folder icon. Now here, you have to upload the image and target video. Let's watch it together.
Thanks to Kate Bourcherel for that.
And now the before and after.
Thanks to Kate Bourcherel for that. Next, King Charles and Queen Camilla
Isn't that
have
amazing?
left Kenya.
Now we have the option to download the video. Just click on the download button below. If you want to generate another video, just run the last cell again and then repeat the same process. That's just amazing. Wait, what is that? Look who we have there. It's Donald, and he's making news.
Thanks to Kate
I believe you can
Bourgeois
genuinely
for
make
that.
money with an AI journalist.
Next, King Charles and
Although
Queen
it is
Camilla
straightforward
have
to
left
create an
Kenya
AI
after
journalist,
a
as laid out in this
four-day
video,
visit. And
I believe it
so,
still requires hard
what's
work
the
to make the
reaction
account
been
truly
to the visit?
successful.
Thank you so much for
But
that.
you can do it. I believe in you. I hope you learned a lot today and found some inspiration. Join the AI HackerBot. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.